Guys, and today I'm going to show you how can you use your navigation system in New Holland Combine. So what you will need to do is first find your auto button and click on that one to enable it, and here find on the second monitor or on this monitor, going through menu and finding your navigation. And what you will need to do is basically, as you can see right here, click on this one, click new, then click target A, and as you can see you will go now straight, and after a couple meters or 10 meters just click B, click yes, and as you can see if you click this auto button it will start go by GPS and auto guidance. Here you can force to the one side or other side. Here you can select the aggressiveness, and as you can see this will work for you. And if you want like curve, circle or everything like that, you can select from here. So that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any questions please let me know in the comments. So thank you guys and see you in the next one. Peace.